Popular skit makers Broda Shaggi, Sabinus, and dancer Pocolee has joined Kizz new hit song Cough Challenge. The Buga songwriter released the new song on October 14 and it is currently topping the chart on Apple Music. In a video posted on Kizz Instagram page at the late hours of Sunday, October 16, the skit makers were seen dancing to the song and doing the signature cough pose. They stopped dancing when Kizz walked in on them and resumed the dance after he told them to continue. The father of two also posted separate videos of both skit makers dancing happily to his song. In another video, Pocolee is seen moving his waist and dancing in line with the rhythm of the song. Kizz also posted several videos of others dancing to his latest song. This song is coming 5 months after the release of his great hit, Buga. Buga, which has over 40 million views on YouTube since its release in May, caught the attention of both young and older demographics, and it has also enjoyed domestic and international acceptance. Kizz is set to make his O2 Arena debut in 2023 after announcing that he'll be performing in London. Captioning his post on Twitter, he wrote, quote, "We're doing the O2 Arena next year, London. Tickets going live soon. Kò ní bàjẹ́ láéláé."